Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add image mask into your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so sometimes it's required to make your images some kind of design so that your pages can look professional. Okay, but to do this, you may need to have a graphic design skill, or you may need to hire someone else to make your images looks good. Okay, so that is why we actually created these code snippets, and for now we have 11 different design into our image mask feature, and let me show you one by one. You can see this is our first design, and one more thing I want to show you, you don't need to get a fancy design images. Okay, so it will works actually with your the image you actually have. Okay, let me show this. For example, this image, you can see here, this is just the image. Don't have any design or anything else. Okay, just a normal image, but when we added this into our page, it actually give us a design. Let me show you the next one. Okay, this is the second design. Even this one, you can see, let me show you, it's just an ordinary design. Okay, it's just an image, and we just added some code snippet to make the design looks like this. Okay, and it's very easy to use code snippet. You can do it very easily. Let me show you all other. Okay, here's the third one, the fourth, fifth. Okay, you can see all the designs and everything. And now here's another one. Okay, this way we have 11 different design for this. Okay, but one more thing I want to mention here, the design is different, but to implement the code snippet is exactly same for each of the image. Okay, so let me show you one of them. Let's say we want to add this image into our page, and we want to make looks exactly like this. Okay, so let me implement this code snippet, and I'm going to use this image into our GoHighLevel page. I already opened the page here, the editor. Let me take a full width section, and then I will get a 2-column row, and in the left column I will add some text. Okay, and then I will add the image here. Let me get the image from here, and then I will put the image we just copied from page. So by default it looks like this. Okay, and now what we need to do, we just need to select the image that we want to implement the code snippet. Then we need to go to advanced tab, and then here is the image selector. You need to copy this. Okay, and then you will get all those code snippet right below this video into the members area. But if you're watching from YouTube, then you will not get the code snippet here. Okay, this is the part of our premium code snippet. That's why you will get it right inside our members area. Okay, so just copy the code snippet. Let me show you. I just copied one of them. I just hide the part of the image. So it's really easy to implement. You don't need to make any other things, any changes or anything else. All you just need to replace your CSS selector here. Okay, they just do this. Let me copy this code. Okay, this is the only thing you need to copy from your GoHighLevel. Okay, and then replace this selector, and then you're good to go. Okay, let me copy this everything from here. Okay, copy, and then I will go back. I will add another option to put the image code. Okay, let me get this one, the custom code snippet, and then I will put the code snippet here. Okay, so you don't need to do anything else. You just put the code here that you just copied. Well, once you're done, just save it. Okay, let me save the page. I'm not going to publish it. Okay, you just click save button. Now let me preview this. If everything goes well, then we should have the design. You can see here we have the design, but by default it's look like this. But when we preview the page, it's actually added the design, and you will get all the code snippet and everything for this image mask feature. Okay, all the code snippet into right under this video. so that you can implement any of the code snippet. All you just need to copy the CSS ID of your image, and then you just need to open the editor. Okay, copy the code snippet, replace the ID, CSS ID, and then copy it again and get back to your GoHighLevel at the custom code snippet option, okay, and then you can put the code. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel. And one more thing I want to mention here: if you are not the premium member of GHL SaasKits or the GHL Code Snippets, then you need to get the premium membership. Otherwise, if you want to even use our free membership, then you just need to join our GHL SaasKits community, okay, which is completely free. When you go to the learning tab, then you will get the basic version of our GHL Code Snippet, where you will get the limited edition of code. But if you want to use our premium code snippet, then you need to upgrade your account, or you can also go to our GHLSaasKits.com, our website. Then you can also get the premium plan from there. Okay, so thank you again for watching this video. Have a nice day.